to Fresh Pieces. In today's home decor segment, I'm here to show you a simple craft idea of how to convert your old cardboard boxes into a beautiful flower vase. So before getting into my video, those who are new to my channel, please hit the bell icon to stay tuned for my latest uploads. Now we have to cut these two edges, these two openings, and now I'm going to give the entire box a black color paint. I have painted the entire box by using black color. Now allow it to dry. So after drying, I'll show you the next step. Cardboard box. So you can use the cardboard box as such, and you can add any sort of artificial flowers, or you can add any sort of indoor plants into it. So now I'm going to make another design onto this cardboard box by using a glue gun. Choice. So you can make design of any design of your own choice by using glue gun. Then I'm going to paint these by using golden color acrylic paint. Of the product, you can see. So I have painted golden color onto this design. So I just made a random design. So I have just painted golden acrylic color onto this design. So next I am going to use this as a planter. So for that I am taking a glass bottle filled with my indoor money plant as usual. So next I am going to place this glass bottle onto this cardboard planter. Just you can. So this is the final arrangement of the planter. So you can see that how beautiful it looks like. So instead of throwing away your old cardboard boxes, please to recreate these type of ideas by using any solid colors of your own choice, and you can use any random designs by using glue guns, and just use any two combination of colors and give it a finish like this. You can add any sort of indoor plants to this arrangement. So this is another planter which I have done just by adding a solid color to it. I didn't add any sort of patterns or any sort of designs to it. So what I have done is that I have just added my artificial plants into it, just like this. So you can also add artificial plants and make it as a planter, and directly add your indoor plants to it and make it as a planter. Please do try out these type of planters in your home instead of throwing away your old cardboard boxes. So that's all for today's videos, dears. See you soon in my next video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, stay healthy and stay motivated.